So if you want to cancel your Shopify plan, this is quite easy. You just have to go to settings and then the second option, plan. And here you see your active Shopify plan, and down here you can cancel it. So just click on cancel and then cancel plan. And now it gives you 3 bullet points, and these informations are quite important because before you cancel your plan, you have to make sure that you don't have any active subscription with any app outside of Shopify. All Shopify apps will be canceled no matter what, but please go ahead here on apps and sales channels and check if you have any external apps and then cancel their subscription first. And then of course you need to cancel any additional store connections to your account. So if your business partner has access, just remove them from your store. Just click on the link. And if you purchase the domain via Shopify, you also need to untick the box of automatic renewals, because otherwise Shopify will continue to bill you for the domain. So just click on the link and then untick the box. But if you have done these 3 things, then you can click on I have reviewed the information above and click continue, and then your shop will be deactivated and your plan will be canceled, and there won't be any further charges. And just to let you know, Shopify will keep your data, your product information and so on for 2 years. So if you decide after a year to reinstate your store, just log in again and activate your plan again, and then you're back on track. And yeah, thank you for listening. If you didn't like Shopify because it's so complicated, then I can recommend you Hostinger for an online shop or Wix to build your e-commerce website, because these 2 website builders are easier than Shopify. So if you want to continue your e-commerce journey, you might want to consider these 2 options. If not, thank you for listening and have a good one. Bye.